in the future, there are four issues which I would advise. You know, the role of the United Nations is to support member states, is to work with communities, and for us on our mandate is to advance gender equality, the empowerment and rights for women. What I have heard, and which is critical to focus on, first is it is very important to focus on the issues of violence against women and girls, just so that women are safe, secure in their everyday private lives, in addition to their public lives, and that they can have access to survivor support and protection and safe spaces. So this was one bundle of issues which was very clear. And secondly is really the focus on economic empowerment for women, the economy, so that there are jobs, income, well-being, but salaries. For salaries, so that the women farmers can send their honey or their vegetables to the market, they can get good income. But for that to happen, the country should focus on education, especially for the most excluded communities. So I really heard about the importance of also addressing some of these issues like violence against girls, child marriage among the Roma communities. But education and economic empowerment is critical for women.